show you a Minecraft server named Assassin MC. So it's a pretty new server. It's live steal. Max hurt limit is 20. Don't ignore my hurts. I am admin. So yeah, that's it's a pretty good spawn. See the spawn. It's pretty good. Yeah. Bro, what you want, man? And I got some money and a lot stuff. Let's see the crates. Party crate. Okay, we got some pretty good stuff here. And here, yep, good stuff here too. And I will show this at last. Basic stuff, not too good. Pretty good stuff here, but I prefer this best stuff. And my favorite, St. Patrick's sword. It's so good, and there's other stuff also. For now, I only have St. Patrick helmet and watermelon armor stuff. Yeah, I don't have got a lot of stuff. There's also a coin shop which you can purchase or something. Yeah, coin shop, and there's a warp arena. I mean PP, warp PP, and that's how the warp PP looks. Okay, it's night, so I can't show it properly. It looks pretty good. Warning, warning, warning. If you enter this block, do enter the PP. If you stay in here, you will be safe. So yeah, be careful while playing the server. The IP I will show at the end of this video. You can do /RTP or /spawn to leave this place, which is pretty good. Who give me monthly key, bro? Key all, yo, that's good. Manager did a key all. I can't do key all as I am SR mode. And we got St. Patrick axe, which is good, I guess so. It's not bad. What you want, bro? Why you keep mentioning my name? So you can do /RTP and warp AFK. Yes, I forgot about it almost. You can also go to warp AFK for rewards. You can AFK the whole night, yeah, and leave by doing /spawn. So let's now check what other things there are. Is there warp crates? Yeah, you can do /warp crates to get here, which is pretty good. And that's how the RTP works, /RTP. And you will randomly teleport to a random place, middle of nowhere. Yeah. There are chat games, there are games, and there's a lot of stuff you can do here. I'm lagging so bad. I need to leave this place. Oh my god, the lag right now. The Discord link will be in description. You should go check out it, and there will be my Discord link also, so you can join it also, because I am also oh my god, what? I don't want. Oh my god, why this guy only wants to trade me? Go someone trade else. So the envoy event happens in /warp, and there's always a key all after some time, which is pretty good. So you can stack up, but I don't think so. I'm stacked up. I have the best sword. Yeah, you can say I'm the best here. Let's go. Bro got full St. Patrick armor. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Yeah, so you can play here and grind 38% because it's not too popular server yet, but it's getting popular so fast. As if it there was before 40 players, and in 3-4 days it is now 90 players. This server is growing so fast, so join fast before it's too late. Because sometimes I also be doing giveaways. Yes sir. So let's do a giveaway right now. Yeah, giveaway. Let's do a giveaway. Let's go. So we are going to do /RTP. Oh my god. Bro, why? I wanna do a giveaway. I want to go RTP, bro. So, oh, let's go. I did /back to get here, but there's no wood. So, wait a little moment. I'ma find it. So guys, I'm actually middle of nowhere. I can't find wood. Wait, maybe I can find this. I guess so, a plain biome. No, bro, that's just a dead end. Bro, hell nah, bro. Why it always happens to me? I hate this. By the way, guys, the giveaway is not going to be that small. I will add these two and knockback stick and more stuff. But first, I need to get from here, bro. I guess so we have to wait for RTP, which is 3-4 minutes, and this envoy event also in 30 minutes. That's good, maybe. And I forgot to tell guys, there are kits also that you can claim. Oh, yeah, I claimed all of mine. These are the permission I have. By the way, the best prank here is, as I remember, the hero kit, then deadliest, then elite. Yeah, so and media kit is kinda OP if you're pretty good at YouTube. If you have 66 subs and you get 100 views per video, and you have uploaded one video on this channel, you can claim media rank, which gives you a total of 3 monthly key per 7 days. This is crazy or not? Yeah, na, free content, bro. Come on, join this server, man. IP will be in description and at the end of this video. Oh my god, it's RTP here. I'm tired of yapping. I'm gonna check what is anyone. Last time I PP and my armor just doesn't seem good, as the guy basically beated me up. Yeah. I know you all are saying that. Bro, it happens sometime. Man, the lag. My net is slow because I'm recording. And the server is kinda laggy. Soon it will be fixed. It's look clear. I don't think so there's anyone behind me also. Yes, sir. By the way, here we go. Let me show you the prices of things here. The tags, pets, emotes, particles, as I remember, don't work right now. Yes, and the most work thing I have tested right now is maybe ranks work and crate keys. I have purchased a lot, like monthly. They make it more expensive, bro. It was before 1000 coins per one monthly key, bro. They made it expensive. That's not good. I can get nothing. Yeah, I can get nothing. RTP, bro. Guys, by the way, do you need a secret tip? So if you're in a PP and you're getting low, so you have to do a pearl right there. but you won't be able to escape because there are barriers here. So you have to do is one thing: go hide here. No one will find you, and you can just hide here and chill and make and do slash spawn. Yeah, a good tip. Now RTP. Why all are calling my name, bro? By the way, there's a shop here also which you can purchase stuff. Right now there's not a lot of stuff. Okay, finally there's food. Now I'm going to craft a chest and put the giveaway stuff in it. Y'all are going to be so happy as this giveaway is going to be pretty good. Because these monthly stuffs are pretty there, which I traded for my stuff. Yeah, I know. It hurts, kind of. And spam w_dev in the chat and tell owner beast to promote me because I want a promotion. Lol. Say in the Discord and the chat promote hyper slash. Okay, so I'm not hiding the chest, it's right there. Yeah, you can just come and pick up these stuff. I'm going to put some totems right there, and let's open my PV for more stuff. And like one steak in double strike. I don't know what this does do, but yeah, I'm going to put it blaze spawner x64 because why not. And we are going to add some crystals to this list because why not. And one hat. Just for the reminder, these hats doesn't work for now. Maybe I need this hats as I don't have one right now. And we will add in the giveaway like. This is for my brother, I can't give you all, sorry. Like this, all this stuff I'm going to add in this. Be ready for the coordinates reveal. There's a lot of stuff in the chest, bro, it's mine. Yeah. So the coordinates are, copy it fast, -141681019. I'm going to set here home by chance if someone didn't these stuff. Wow, really? Guys, ignore the server has a lot of glitches right now. That's why I don't have permission. So let's go, guys. That's it for today's video. Come and loot this chest at these coordinates. Yep. Just in the like here, right? If you all don't trust me, I'm going to do slash. Oh, I forgot to give IP. Okay, now I will give IP also. Slash spawn. And I'm going to leave the server as so I can't do slash back. So now the chest is completely yours, guys.